Yeah, Edo people, congrats to all Edolites. We dey happy, eh? For the very first time we dey see election wey be say represent our democracy, free, fair and credible election. But you know the most happier part of this whole thing, na when our president, our retired general, wey come as civilian, wey form say e no dey hear, but no be say e no dey hear o, because our people say sit down look na dog name, wey decide to fold the hand and sit down look for the election, for the truth to be prevailed for once since our democracy in 1999. See am for Edo election, who me wan you talk to, na your barrister Henry Nozua, you no understand, Idagbon. Na barrister na e be, we know say na legal practitioner na e be, but at the time e come do say come let politics come take over e profession. But you know the fact, when Henry Idagbon become a local government chairman 1999, a lot of people support am. A lot of people support this man Henry Idagbon. 1999, after that time, Edo rate am as one of the best local government chairman at that time, which a lot of people agree. But at that time, why we still support am? Because we no even dey believe say road to tie road no be big thing like that, but e dey carry grader dey tie the grade road that time for us, wey be say e cause more erosion wey dey for that ego today now, na e cause am. Because to say e tie those road put gutter, e for better say no be grade, e come grade am. You know understand, the grader dem no grade am well, na e cause those erosions, flood everywhere, wey make ego no better today, particularly from where e for come, where e papa build house for second power line for Ewotubu, where e papa whole house dey, health center wey dey close to e papa house, that health center no dey function since let me say like 15-16 years now. Nothing dey happen there. Ewotubu begin dey spoil gradually based on say na under PDP platform na e dey that time, and im dey among the people wey be say e enjoy a lot of Ewotubu indigene, or rather people wey get resident for Ewotubu, to become PDP, wey be say dem no fit comot till today. Because at that time, even after 2003, who wan decamp that time go come on a national television on e own, because PDP get power. You understand, say you wan decamp to PDP. You understand, he rule as local government chairman for 4 years, then he move enter honourable, wey him life take change. After that time, where he even build the whole house for that first power line, when he build the first house ever, when he dey that time, me wey dey here, so I dey follow my cousin that time, because one of my cousin there dey work with am as a photographer, dey do video coverage, dey call am Fatai Giwa Osagi, wey dey work for like even place for one corner for a local government house that year. Say me you still dey there, me dey go clear grass for that man compound that time. Wetin I try talk be say, people wey support this man betrayed all of them. Then he dey talk about say Obaseki dey betray them. You see how e come be you now? You know see how e come be you now, Idagbon? You know say you don dey fail your brother, even your own cousin wey support you, Mode Idagbon aka Obogbato native doctor, wey support you that time. Wetin you do am? You no fuck am up? You fuck am up now. We know your story. You wey dey talk say Obaseki no try, Obaseki no try. But Idagbon, let me tell you, where you get 2x3, 200x300 for Awogba, where you get 200x300 for Awogba, wey you no develop because say Awogba spoil that time, road no dey to go Awogba, where you buy that land put for there, wey be say you no gree develop am, although you no get money sha, na make you never even build am at this time sef. When you buy that land, you fit say Awogba no good na, you abandon even the land, because alogba they call people all those times, many things dey happen. Even believe say man, nothing good go even come out for that alogba now that time. But you know the truth of the matter, na Obaseki so when you dey say e no good o because say e no give you Ghana must go, you dey fight am. Na that man I go tie that Iriri road o, go come out for Sapele road. Na inside last year, make me remind you for some kind things wey you no know. That man say me dey jammed, but me I get property too for that area. Make me remind you wetin you do. You know say that your land, that 2x3. You know say when community sell small for inside, you know say you go dey fight the community, say they cut hand enter that your land. You begin dey name price wey be say they go buy that plot wey dey cut small. Okay, if to say that road no dey tied, it is say you for go there again. If you no go na, how you come be you now? No, Idagbo. How you come do you that? You don't fuck up. You understand? Join the movie train. You the hero say APC. Oshomole Paul of our father they talk say in a Godfather. Who born Oshomole? When Oshomole say no Godfather reason, everybody support am. Now they forget. How you come be you now? Go see people. Me I tell you. You know say for my city here, yesterday we come out enter bar go flex. Your supporter, una supporter, APC supporter, they no fit enter bar o. They hold their money for pocket o. They no enter. Because you know why? Because they dey shame. All of them dey shame now. They no fit come drink wey we dey burst moet, we dey burst conversation dey drink, we dey enjoy pepper soup everything. People dey declare because say PDP win. They no come. You understand? Even the ones wey be say they come sef, you know wetin they do? The ones wey enter, they decamp. Na they don decamp. They just say beda APC na yeye party. Say APC dey betray. They enter PDP. We enjoy together. You understand? But we still dey watch them. We dey watch them. Yeah, we never accept them fully like that. But we mercy them because Obaseki say may we dey mercy everybody. He forgive everybody. Even CEO's interview with Channels Television today now. He say he open his heart. Government dey open for even Oshomole to come because say na a friend. See one idiot go dey wey interview for Channels Television today that they talk say pre-cut they carry matter go cut. Wetin you want to Buhari don call Obaseki congratulate her, you dey there, you dey see Buhari. Well, all this very like that bomb. Now you me want you talk to, but me never see you since the victory. I never hear your voice. I never talk. You dey talk say Dana say the control bomb for your office for Sloko Road. But let me tell you, you don't know say that you fuck Agbe up. Agbe will get that renters for the same building where you forget office for Sloko Road. Agbe will get renters that time. You know say that you carry Agbe enter politics. You frustrate Agbe safe call even enter Libya at that time. Let me tell you, because you girl dey enjoy you that no victory everything. You chop your body for that Agbe correct. If not be children, if not be two children, I don't want to measure their name. Those small boys, maybe say me, all those kind of things. God come answer them. God come bless them. God come pick their call. They come got to raise their father now. You don't say you don't frustrate that man. Okay, now where that man wreck, you help him. The house where that man built for Asoro bus stop, where we say that duplex, where we say be number 1 for Asoro bus stop that year. The man, he nearly sell am. Not be because of you. Who put am for politics? Don't be you. See, that boy, you take sense. May you take sense from them about. Because they get sense past you. You obtain sense from them. Them Osakwe holding. All those them apostle. You obtain sense for them. They will give you sense. They will help you. But you know the truth of the matter. Now get local. Say Obaseki, now God sent. You know understand? Now some people, what they will do now? They'll push all of Nakumo for Benin. Even though be say Obaseki say na patient man wey dey fear God, and it can't be person wey be say he dey respect elders, and Oba come speak for the matter. Our Baba he come talk. Ipa atokpe Oba atokpe Oba na our second god as Edo Idiji. When Oba talk, nobody dey argue am. That be the luck wey una get o. If not, I think see the way APC people take go scatter all those police units for Oronigbe. So na only one word na work out for Oronigbe. Only as big as Oronigbe, only one police unit na there for vote. APC go scatter na thief the whole ballot paper. Okay, the whole ballot paper wey dem thief, how e come be una now? Okay, wey dem how e come be? You know wetin be the people wey be all dey wait people be all dey wait say oya hear say Buhari oyo carry oyo go next chamber say change am we be all dey wait. You see people I think see people dey wey be say dem don hide machine for one corner before. All those police dem for run. All the police wey una carry dem for run, dem for gbaga. Buhari sef no. And Oba himself he understand say these people don speak back there he take dey do it thing. Maybe na Oba call Buhari, tell Buhari say Buhari una no dey delay this election na we don already see the vote wey be say e end 2:30. From that 2:30 we don already know the winner because every police unit dey declare their result, dey snap am direct to INEC. Okay, now wetin dey come delay am till on Sunday for? Till Sunday around 4-5 before una come dey tell us say Obaseki. We don already know, people don dey enjoy. Na your day. No person wey me your dey pity for na you Erida Agbon. You wey come for our community, you fuck up. See Obaseki now. See the old women now. Now, got women leaders, all the world women leaders. They go government house today now. You see wetin they go talk? They go talk wetin you no fit talk for how many years wey you dey power. Make dem come tell Ewotubu road. See Onwina, from Onwina straight go reach Ewotubu village. Go reach Ewotubu village. Okay, just tell me one thing wey dey work for that Ewotubu community where you for start life. Primary school e no dey exist again because say erosion don close everywhere. Secondary school e no dey exist again because say erosion don close everywhere. The health center e no dey work again because say erosion don take everywhere. Ring road to Ewotubu is 500 naira. Wetin be say e no even reach 20 minutes wey suppose to be 20 naira or 50 naira. We say we get person like you for Ego. We be say if I bring Ego name come out. You know see wetin Ego do? Your police unit sef, don't be surprised you no even win am. Or maybe you no even shame, no even let you come out go vote sef. Politics no be do or die. Politics na wisdom. Politics wey una suppose to dey do as a politician una suppose to dey take correction from Obaseki. Do am for your children future. See record wey Obaseki create o na record of Abruzali, late Abruzali, late Mode Ogbemudia. Na the record na him set now. But if una get sense una tell am say congratulations una your call am. He go see accept all of una. If to say maybe na Benin you no fit be say na only one political party na e dey. If for too good na, if for you too good, say only we all talk say since na PDP now we all say okay na only PDP. We no wan get another political party again because Benin too good. You know the truth of the matter una dey forget one thing. You understand? Although many of una never born at that time, I make am. The truth is, colonization enter Nigeria through Benin. Now, may you know, I dey tell you. Oyibo, yeah. They come Benin now, not be Benin the past no. We be say we resist them before. They don't say they go they carry those them car with they carry that come defeat us. We call the put blame for many people. Not be all those one be the issue. People will be say you cause the issue. Now those Oyibo, those bad Oyibo will come. Leave us alone with the Portuguese. We dey do business, we dey transact business with Portuguese before. Our Oba that's the Oba they run everything. They conquer everywhere now. In they do am. Oyibo they call carry British corner country. Okay, now we start the colonization don come. na true Benin. Gele wey dey pass come. Na Obaseki dey promise us, he never still do am, but he dey try. At least improvement dey. Refinery don put am for Ologbo. Benin don get refinery. Record. And na no be individual property again. This one na government property. You know how many workers go work for there when they open am? Open your eyes. Go see our technical college wey be say during Abacha, now our technical college function reach before. Even Lucky Gbenedion regime of Oshomole, no one, e no work. See this man so na he do am. He don open a technical college. Go see am. The screen na dey teach for blackboard. Screen, big screen dey. Dey see am teacher dey. Technical college. Una say e no work. Una be mumu o. I dey tell you. Okay, now Muna still look. You na Idagbon me you dey talk to. Me no dey talk to another person. You Idagbon. Because why I dey talk to you? Because you no like better thing. You don't like better thing. See all the women now go dey beg government say we don vote for you now. Come do Ewotubu road. Oh, we now straight go reach Ewotubu village. May he go do am. Which I know say governor he go do am. If they see am now, he don dey do Ekenwan road now. If he do that Ekenwan road now, he go link that Enwina straight to Ewotubu village. Even if na only Ewotubu village now he do am reach, it's okay. He go put am there. You come link that Ewotubu straight go reach Asoro. Then if they do that Asoro, they go so straight to Barak where you want go do and reach, when they gele you want do and reach, where you want do and reach. But as they do that road, so na major road, na federal road, you go all do am. You go do airport road. No be where you do am go Iriri side. You come do am straight that airport road, that Ogba. You go do am. They go the same gele area for that Ogba side. Then you know where you go do? You go come link only one major road wey dey there. Only one major road na dey there. Not be the one where they go Barak o. Mo you leave Barak because from Ekenwan road, from let's say from College road, go reach Barak. Any link road not dey to airport road. But you know where link road dey if you don't know. Me I tell you where e dey because una chop money for Oshomole. Now Oshomole supposed to do all these things. Because where the money for Oshomole una chop the whole money una later. Know where the link road dey? Na build Tagban. If you link that old Tagban, you know come dey wait say from College road go reach Kenwa Barak before you get link where they go airport road. You see am from College road junction there. If you go now pass Asoro bus stop, reach Utagban, e link am, e tie am from, you know how many kilometers you go tie that one from Kenwa road, you go tie come out for airport road. You see I say link now go dey there. Transportation fee e go reduce. No be lie, na so e go be. E go do am like that. E don dey do the Kenwa road now, we don dey see am. If you do am like that, person wey dey go airport road now, e no fit go ring road first. Come from ring road, come say e dey go airport road. So if that kind of person no hold 1,500 naira, e no fit do that transportation. But you see the fact, if person dey come for Ewotubu now, e stop for Asoro bus stop, e fit even use leg trek sef go Utagban junction, or bus down go dey pass there, go dey say Utagban airport road, e go pass am there. E don reach 50 naira, e go carry am reach where e dey go. You understand? No be lie, na so government do am. No say am how e come dey build una now. How e come build una now. Your upper house for Ewotubu road no dey to go there. Even if your upper don park for there, but e house dey there. Your own house for Ewotubu where you fit dey, maybe you don park go GRA now or go Amagba, whatever. That your house for first power line there for near Akagbosu. Road dey to enter there? No road. No be your property. If to say that road good, say your pikin sef even rent that house, no be good thing. No be lie na. How e come do you now? Obaseki don win. 4+4, you see am now, wey we dey talk. Ask any children for road now. 1+1 na 2. 2+2 na 4. 4+4 no be 8 again o for Benin. 4+4 na Ogbane. You understand? Na 4+4 be now. How e come dey do una now? Na you dey focus, cause say una you dey one kind small, get one small power. Na you dey do una forget where una for come. Na you forget where una for come. But you know the truth, Obaseki will forgive una. We will still beg am make forgive una. You understand? Una no dey take politics as personal property, as personal thing. No. Politics you do am 4 years regime go still change. Maybe the position wey you hold for that 4 years, the next 4 years you no go get time again. Where you come dey that time see your be now. See Oshiomhole na wey be una godfather. E no get work again now. You no understand? But one truth wey dey Tony Kabaka, we no wan your talk to you. But Kabaka, you be person wey be say a lot of youth like. Despite the fact say you talk many things wey be say you no suppose talk as a matured man or rather as a family man. But you know the truth, youth like you. Na man say you dey do bad, you say you do good, you do bad. Nobody wey dey perfect for life. We like you, we still like to you, Tony. We will forgive you. They will forgive you because the truth is that I don't like you. The youth like you. You know understand? We know your reason your matter at all because you no be politician. Because now you say support. Because if you check am from my own angle, I feel say you no wan betray your leader. Now you take do all these things wey you do because you no wan betray Oshiomhole. Because I remember when you do marriage that time when Oshiomhole come, you swear for national television, you say APC runs in your vein. Anything wey go kill Oshiomhole may fit kill you. Na wetin you exhibit na be that. So I no blame you for anything wey you do. That one na you Kabaka. They don't like you. Oshiomhole now don fail. The whole thing now don close because you no relent for am. You no talk say you dey decamp. That's to show a good example of a political thug. We better put am because no where thug no dey. E dey everywhere. Everybody know that one. But we no say you be thug. But the thug wey you be, a lot of people will talk bad of you and some still talk good. In as small say you do things wey be say I don't like, but you know the fact that I still like you. Kabaka. Who me know you like? Now you be Henry Dagmo. Kabaka, where you put your hotel for where governor go destroy that hotel. Governor not supposed to destroy that hotel. For me, my own idea, at least for use that hotel turn to charity house for the less privileged. You know understand? Na wetin governor for do that place, but that one don happen, it don happen. But you know the fact you fit still build the one wey big pass that one. The youth dey with you. But you no betray Oshiomhole. That's to show a good example to every worker wey be say yes, you go get that trust. Just wetin right comrade Philip Shaibu still do wey e no take betray the master, the governor wey im dey work follow. See na wetin you sef do to Oshiomhole. You no betray am. You no relent. You fight make the truth for come out. But you know the person wey fuck up na Oshiomhole. Wetin you take Oshiomhole to tell dem Dagmo all of una say una leave am. 4 years never reach, leave am. If 4 years finish now you go comot, no be papa house. Na wetin Oshiomhole for do? Oshiomhole was too greed to say you must comot, you must comot, you must comot. Now you be wait, how many votes Oshiomhole dey cast? Not be one vote in dey cast. Now you get Benin, you all take yourself as a godfather. See Anana, until you don lose your job now, you don get work again now. I can't be you now, Oshiomhole. I be you. I think PDP don dey laugh you now. Person wey you fit talk say na e better pass. You give PDP privilege to take career. You just dey worry this man PDP no bring candidate come out. They all dey form all those them this thing say they do want do primary blah 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 blah. Una you all believe them for where PDP dey hide governor. I see your talk say you no get certificate wey you sef tell us 4 years ago say he has the best certificate. He even go university where you no go. You tell us we accept am. Now you wan come tell us say you be mumu Oshiomhole, you be mumu. I don't know wetin dey do you. Whether na that babe na wey you wan take leave you that time, na you make you your I don't know. But still wetin happen don happen. May all of una go work with the governor. Go and work with the governor. Una take repair Edo. Una take repair Edo. And meanwhile all of una still go Oba Palace, go beg Baba, say Baba, we dey sorry to draw your leg come out. We dey sorry to draw your leg come out, and go beg Ipa. Baba forgive una. Baba don tell una say if no is Baba wey intervene for this election, wetin una for do? The two party PDP, APC, all of una. You see we don't believe say na PDP win o. PDP no win because we no even trust the PDP. Who we trust na the candidates. Now we trust we go PDP. Now make us follow am. Say this man we trust am. We trust this man. This man can give us wetin we want, even if he not do all. At least a stepping stone is a good beginning. Next person wey go come now go take from there. You go know say yes. You no fit do that godfatherism era. It don pass. This time na new era to abolish all godfatherism. Na the step wey take now we all run follow am for. It is na PDP we vote for. Who tell you? PDP don baff. PDP, APC, all of una the name na the same. Na the candidate na make difference. Wey be say e go give PDP a new platform for them to still change because they don fit focus of 8 years. No be lie it is say we don forgive them for that thing wey they do that time. We no forgive them now. Na the same thing now Oshiomhole constitute. Oshiomhole wey fit rule us 4 years, everybody dey happy. Person you wan pray for us, say go fit add Oshiomhole name join. See Oshiomhole na say how e come be. You use one day, one night, you take scatter your political career for nothing. It's not a good thing. But may I rest my video for here. Who get sense? Me get sense. Kabaka, you too much. Me I like you personally. Oh, me I not hate you. Eridagmo, you fuck off from the beginning. Go and correct your mistake. No point they shout for national television say that they throw bomb for your office. They throw bomb. Come, why they not throw bomb for your ass? Na your office they want throw bomb put. You dey sleep office. Abeg leave that matter. All those one na story. You don't tell who they hear all those issues. I greet you. Oba talk there. He say.